In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do conditional formatting to highlight your errors here in Google Sheets. So let's say you're working on a large data set and you're not sure if you have errors in any of your data. To make all the errors in your data set stand out, you can quickly highlight them with conditional formatting. Let's go ahead and do that. Now we're going to start by selecting the range where we want to highlight our errors. But if you are working with a large data set, a better way to do this would be to just select everything by clicking on this corner right here. Once you've done that, we're going to go now to Format in the menu bar, then select Conditional Formatting. On the right side, you have your Conditional Format Rules panel open, and here we have our range and our format rules. So we've already selected our range. We're now moving on to the format rules. We're going to click on this one, go to the bottom and select Custom Formula Is. So the formula that we're going to enter right here will start with an equal sign, type in error, dot, type, open parentheses, A1, closing parentheses. And automatically you'll see in the background that our errors have already been highlighted. Now we can choose a different color for this. Let's make it a bright red to really make it stand out. So we can automatically see all the errors in our dataset. Click on Done, and there we have it. So now that we've highlighted all the errors that we have, since we also have different type of errors, if you want to fix your errors one at a time, let's say for this one, we have 3 types of errors in my data set right here. We have the value error, the name error, and the divided by 0 error. So if I want to get started with the value errors first, I can specifically highlight those ones by changing something in our formula with our conditional formatting. So on the left side right here, I just have some text that have those error names. So let's go back to our conditional formatting. Go to Format, Conditional Formatting. There we have it. To edit this, all we have to do is to click on it and go back to our formula. So for this one, we're just going to add an equal sign, then the number of the row where that error is located. So we have the value error right here on row number 3. So I'm just going to type in 3 right here. And there you have it. Now the only error that's highlighted on my dataset is the value error. So I'm just going to change that color. There we go. Click on Done. And there we have it. That's how to do conditional formatting to highlight your errors here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.